What's up? It's your guy Naujoxx and welcome to my channel where I show you the toughest street style tips and tricks ever. Today, I will show you 4 simple and easy steps that will make you look taller in your outfit pictures. So let's get right into it. Very important to say is that you do not need to be or have a professional photographer to adapt those tips to your photography game. I am often shooting with people who have never really taken pictures before, and as those tips are very easy and simple to adapt, they always work. So after this video, you will be able to make people look taller in pictures. The first step, and probably the most important one, is that you shoot from a low camera angle and that you tilt your camera upwards. Do you remember how all adults seem to be giants when you were a child? Get closer to a child's eye level and they will look like giants again. With a low camera angle and when tilting the camera backwards, the legs of the model will look a lot longer. But you have to play around with that a little bit, because if you go too low, the picture will get a very dominant vibe, which mostly does not look very natural and nice for most outfit pictures. I always hold the camera around my belly button because I feel like that's a perfect angle for my camera and lens. But feel free to try it out yourself and you will soon learn what camera angle you like the most. The second tip is about the lens of your camera or phone. And what is important here is that you should always go for a wider angle lens in order to look taller in your pictures. Not only will this exaggerate the foreshortening effect that makes closer objects look larger, but it will also increase the separation between the object and the background. No need to go crazy though. So no fish eyeing if you want the picture to look normal in any way. The third tip is my personal favorite and has changed my photography and Instagram game completely. And that is the framing of the picture. I was always struggling of where to leave space in my pictures. And what I figured out first is that you should not leave too much space above and below the model. Second, I noticed that pictures on Instagram look very weird when you do not leave any space above and below the model. It always seems unwanted, like you had to make it fit into your 4x5 Instagram crop. So what looks the best in my opinion is to leave more space above than below the model. Nobody wants to see the ground in front of you, and leaving more space above than below you will make you a lot taller. The last tip is a combo of wearing black, because black will always make you look a little slimmer and taller, and wearing clothes that actually fit you. I love oversized clothes and especially baggy pants and bigger tees, but they always make you look a little bit thicker and smaller. But don't get me wrong, if you use all tips that I've given you so far, you can still look tall in your pictures. But wearing black and fitting clothes will always help out too. So try to go with some slimmer shoes like Chelsea boots, skinnier tight pants and a t-shirt that is not too big for you. Just as a bonus tip, don't wear too long sleeves and maybe fold your t-shirt sleeves if they are not short enough to show more of your arms. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching and I hope that I could help out with those tips so that you can now create the tallest outfit pictures by yourself. And if you want my feedback on your pictures, send them to my Instagram account. Also, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more fashion and photography content. See you in the next videos. Over and